We explain in this process about varieties of tea which is made from one single bush called as Camellia sinensis. The types of tea are black tea, CTC and orthodox, green tea, oolong tea, white tea, and then states shortly. CTC means crush, tear and curl. First process in CTC tea manufacture is the withering. Post withering, the tea leaves are sent into motor van for crushing.